So to continue with our letter B, remember we don't add schwa, it's not ba, but b. Our B day, we're going to do some bucket counting today. But first we're going to do some warm-ups. Hold up your fingers, or your fist. We're going to count forwards, then backwards. Count with me. 1, 2, now back to 0. 2, 1, 0. Let's try another one. 1, 2, 3, now back to 0. 3, 2, 1, 0. Count forwards to 4 and then backwards to 0. I'm not going to count this time. I want to see if you can do it. Awesome. I'll do 5 with you. We're going to count to 5 and then count back down to 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Nice counting. Now you're going to go find, if you don't have a bucket, that's okay. You can use your hands, put on your hands or a bucket, and go get this number of things that fit in your hands. It could be little pieces of candy, it could be little toys, it could be little scraps of paper, whatever you find in your house or your apartment. So you pretend your hand is your bucket, and you're going to go find this number of things. How many things that will be in your bucket? Did she say 5? Go find some 5 things and then come back. So you hit pause and then come back. Once you have your bucket, remember your hand could be your bucket of 5 things. Welcome back. I have my container right here. And I have some different objects in mine. So I am going to count. Do you count with me? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in my bucket. I just used a flower pot because I was dropping my things. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your collection has what? How many objects? 5. So whose bucket or whose container held more, Miss Crane or yours? You're right, mine has more. How can you make your bucket the same to match mine? Did you say you have to go get one more item? You are right. So what do we do in this lesson? We counted things in buckets. Your exit ticket, I'll put the same picture on Seesaw, but you have to use a microphone to count and tell me how many are in the first bucket, how many things will go in the second bucket, and which one has the more or the bigger amount.